Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Facebook videos on your phone in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Now tap on the Video tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, find the video you want to download and tap on it. Then tap on the Share button below the video and select Copy Link. Now exit the Facebook app and open your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Safari. In the search bar, go to a Facebook video downloader website like fdown.net. Once the page loads, paste the copied video link into the input field and tap Download. You'll see a few options for video quality. Choose the one you prefer and tap Download again. And that's it. That's how to download Facebook videos on your phone. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.